Hello friends, welcome back or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to create this bronzy summer look. I hope you stick around and like and subscribe. Okay friends, here we are, bare face. My eyebrows are done. I've primed my eyelids using Smashbox 24. And I think I'll just start with my base. I have my sunscreen on. For my base, I'm starting with Forever Glow Star Filter from Dior. This is in shade 8. I usually use my glass palette here. And then I'm just using the brush that I'll use for foundation. So today I'm creating this summer bronzed makeup. Just elegant, easy, everyday look. I'm using a glowy primer, then I'll just put this one all over my face. And for reference, I have dry skin type, but now it's summer, so it's more normal. So that is how Dior looks. So for foundation, I'm going to mix Gala Glow and the original one. So the Glow one is in shade 6.5 and it's a bit yellow for me, and 7N it's too neutral and deep. You see that is 6.5N and that is 7N. I'm just going to mix these two to have my perfect shade, like one pump of 7N and then one pump of 6.5. So foundation is blended. It's looking a little bit light, but we fix as we go. Then I'm going to contour using Kaya contour stick. This is in shade Espresso. So if you don't know, Kaya is a Swedish brand. I just pick it up on my brush. And with this shade Espresso, it's quite deep, so you need to go in careful. And it blends so easy. Now I just put it on my forehead. See? Just chisel the jaw a little bit. Just want to add a little bit on my forehead. And it has magnetic closure. Very nice packaging as well. Then for blush, I'm going in with the Danessa Myricks in Golden Hour. Just pick it up with my brush like that, and then I normally tap it in the cup just to coat the brush nicely. For concealer, I'm using Westman Atelier in D1. Just blend it. It's a small brush from Rafa. This is LC01. Just use it like that to contour my nose. And then I just go back in with my foundation brush and blend. For under eye powder, I'm using Pat McGrath. So this is what I'm going to use with just a smaller brush. For all over the face, I'm going in with Gala. This is in shade 4 Deep. I'm just going with a fluffy brush. Just tap off excess. Then I like to just take a finishing powder, and this is Gala Meteorites. This is also in shade 4. I just shake them to break them up. And then I just pour my brush all over. Bronzer, I'm using Lancome. This is in shade 7 Deep. I'm using Dior, and this is in shade 080 Red Smile Matte. This is how it looks on the brush. So kindly, just a gentle reminder, please subscribe, like, share my content, help me grow here on YouTube. That's how blush is looking. Highlighter, I'm going to use Pat McGrath. That's how it looks. It's a discontinued product, but please, if you have your makeup, use it. I use my makeup whether it's discontinued or not. That's why we buy makeup, is to use. And most of makeup these days is limited edition. You don't need to have exact product that someone is using in their videos. You can compensate with another, highlight different brush, different products, and get similar results. I just mix these two shades. I didn't use the bronze one. So this is eyeshadow in golden, the new one. This is how it looks. So let's swatch. I'm taking this one here. That's how it looks on my finger. Then I'm just going to swatch here. And then let's swatch this one here. That's how it looks. So, oh. And then this side, I'm taking this one here. And the pants are small, so I'm having trouble getting my finger in there. And then just swatch it there. And the last one here. That's how it looks. That picked up nicely. So here are the swatches. I'm going to start with this shade here. That's how it's picking up. I'll take this brush and go into this shade down here. And they pick up so well on the brush, so there's no any problem. Just putting that on my lash line, just to deepen my lash line. Then I just want to wing it, and then blend it out. Just one outer V here. Then do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just building that deeper shade on my outer V. And with a flat brush, I'll just spray it a little bit with setting spray. And then just dab it on my hand. I want to go in with this bronze shade here. Just put that one on my center lid. I like that. I'll try my finger and see how it applies. Yeah, that's much better to use a finger, then you get more payoff. But if you just need a little bit wash of shimmer, then a brush is also okay. But I'm just going to use my finger because... And this palette to me is comparable to Natasha Denona bronze palette, apart from this shade here. Yeah, there's definitely fallout and I'm using my fingers. So I just took this shade over here. I'm putting that one in my inner corner. Yeah, I have fallout. I should have done my eyes first. And I'm planning to have a video up at least every week. Maybe 2 videos if possible. And then I just take a brush that I used with the eyeshadow and then blend it. I'm going in with the lash primer. This is Diosho. And I find a mascara that works. That's what I use. Like this Diosho is the only lash primer that I've been using. And then when I open mascara and it works for my lashes, that is it. So I use it until I'm out of it. Like I found Fenty and I have a backup. But when I finish this one, I'm going to try. I'm going to try a new mascara. That's a promise. Or if there is a mascara that you want me to try, please just ask. Just ask me to try it for you and I will. So our summer look turned out warm and bronzy nicely. And then for my lower lashes, I go in with this MAC. It's perfect for lower lashes. This is Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil in Foxy Brown, the lip chit. So I just... Lipstick I'm using Chanel in 406. This is a Chanel lipstick 406. Okay friends, so this is my summer bronzy look. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.